ClickUp tips and tricks. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to take your ClickUp skills to the next level and make the most out of this versatile platform. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to ClickUp, we have valuable insights and practical strategies to supercharge your productivity and streamline collaboration. If you are new to ClickUp, I would suggest actually going and looking at some of the other ClickUp training videos on my YouTube channel first. Link in the description. This video is going to be better if you've already used ClickUp a little bit. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. First, minimizing tasks. Managing multiple tasks in ClickUp can be challenging, especially when you need to switch back and forth between them. To alleviate this annoyance, you can utilize the task tray feature to minimize tasks, allowing for quick and convenient access at any time. Additionally, you can also minimize docs to the tray for a streamlined workflow. Think of the task tray as a way to minimize your tasks, similar to how you manage different windows and tabs in a web browser. By minimizing tasks in the task tray, you can effortlessly reopen them and continue where you left off, eliminating the need to constantly navigate or lose your progress when closing tasks to focus on other activities. You can minimize both existing tasks as well as minimize new tasks. When working with an existing task, simply click on it to open it. Inside the task, you'll notice an arrow sign labeled Minimize Task. Clicking on this arrow will minimize the task, sending it to the task tray. Similarly, when creating a new task by clicking on plus task at the bottom right corner, you'll find an arrow sign labeled Minimize Draft. Clicking on this arrow will minimize the newly created task. Once a task is minimized, it will go down into the task tray, which resides at the bottom right side of the screen next to the plus task button. You can access the task tray from anywhere within your ClickUp account as it remains readily available. In addition to tasks, you can also minimize docs using the same method. The process is identical, allowing for a consistent approach to managing both tasks and documents. However, if you click on the 4 dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, representing the shortcut section, you'll notice that the task tray can be pinned. By default, the pinned task tray displays all the tasks and documents that have been minimized. However, if you decide to unpin the task tray, its view will change. Instead of showing the actual tasks and documents, you will see a numerical indicator representing the number of minimized tasks. Clicking on this number will expand the task tray, revealing all the minimized tasks and documents. For instance, if you have minimized 3 tasks, the expanded view will show the number 3 as an identification. Clicking on it will display all 3 tasks. If you wish to remove any task from the tray, hover over the desired task and click on the X icon. This action will remove the task from the tray, ensuring a clutter-free workspace and allowing you to focus on the tasks that require your attention. By effectively utilizing the task tray in ClickUp, you can enhance your productivity by seamlessly managing and accessing minimized tasks and documents, enabling a smoother workflow and reducing the need for constant task switching. The next tip is Everything View Calendar. The Everything View Calendar is a powerful tool in ClickUp that allows you to access information from your entire workspace in one consolidated view. To open the Everything view, navigate to the left menu and click on Spaces. From there, select Everything to open the Everything view. This pulls the information from all your spaces, providing a comprehensive overview. By default, the Everything view displays information in a list format, showing all the spaces, projects, lists, folders, and tasks. This can be overwhelming and confusing due to the complex nature of the display. However, you have the ability to filter out this information to make it more manageable and relevant to your needs. Suppose you want to create a new calendar and filter it in the Everything view. To do this, click on the plus view at the top of your screen and select Calendar. Then click on the Add Calendar button to create your new calendar view. You can give your calendar view a name, such as Personal Calendar, or any other name that suits your needs. In this case, let's name it Emma's Calendar. Once you have created your calendar view, hover over its name and you will see the option to pin it. By pinning the calendar, it will remain visible in the Everything view. This way, whenever you visit the Everything view, you can easily locate and access your calendar without getting lost in the complex interface. To filter your calendar in the Everything view, simply click on the name of your pinned calendar at the top. This action will take you directly to your calendar where you can create tasks on specific days. To create a task, hover over the desired day and a plus sign representing Create Task will appear. Click on it, select a list, and then click Save to create the task. The next tip is Notepad. When you're in the midst of work, it can be challenging to capture random thoughts that pop into your head throughout the day. These thoughts could be creative ideas worth exploring later, grocery list items you just remembered, or even miscellaneous to-dos that you don't want to forget about. However, when you're fully focused on a project or task in ClickUp, you don't want to disrupt your workflow by closing out of what you're doing just to jot down these untimely thoughts. Additionally, managing multiple handwritten to-do lists and scattered notes in notebooks can be cumbersome and inconvenient when you need them the most. This is where the trusty Notepad feature comes to the rescue. The Notepad in ClickUp is a reliable solution that allows you to capture and organize your thoughts regardless of where you are in the app. Whether you're working on a task, viewing a calendar, or accessing a dashboard, you can always access Notepad through the Shortcuts menu located on the bottom right-hand side of the ClickUp interface. To create a note in the Notepad, simply click on the Shortcut button at the bottom right corner of the screen and select Notepad from the menu that appears. The Notepad will open, and you can enter a title for your note. Click the Create button to generate the note, and then proceed to type out your ideas or thoughts. The Notepad offers a range of formatting options to enhance your notes. You can add tables, banners, checklists, and columns to structure your content. Formatting features like headings, bullets, number lists, toggle lists, banners, and more are available as well. To access these options, simply type the / command on your keyboard and a menu will appear with all the formatting choices. Select the desired option to incorporate it into your note. Personally, I find the Notepad invaluable for any type of brain dumping or brainstorming. Whether it's creating lists, jotting down ideas, or capturing miscellaneous thoughts, I can easily access my Notepad from anywhere within ClickUp. I quickly record what I need to, ensuring that my focus remains uninterrupted. This easy access to a Notepad helps me stay organized and minimizes interruptions to my workflow, ensuring maximum productivity within ClickUp. Next, using task templates. Using task templates in ClickUp can greatly simplify the process of managing recurring tasks. To get started, create a new space or select an existing one where you want to set up the template. Once you have chosen the space, proceed to create a list within it. This list will serve as a container for your tasks. Go ahead and create the list that fits your needs. With the list created, the next step is to create a to-do task. Simply click on Task Name under the To-Do section and enter the desired name for your task. Once you have entered the task name, click Save to save your task within the list. After creating the task, you can click on it to open the task window. This allows you to add more details and provide a description if necessary. In our example, let's say our task is related to Twitter, and we want to include two specific subjects, tweet and Twitter space. To highlight these subjects, we can make each one a heading. To do this, click the dots located on the left side of each subject. Once the options appear, select Turn Into and choose Heading 1. Repeat this process for both subjects to transform them into headings. To separate the headings and create a visual distinction, you can insert a divider line between them. Simply leave a space between the headings or subjects and then type the / command on your keyboard. In the options that appear, search for Divider and select it to insert the divider line. Once you have prepared the task and added the desired structure using headings and a divider line, the next step is to save it as a template for future use. To do this, click on the three dots located next to the Share button within the task window. A menu will appear, and from there select Templates and then Save as Template. Enter a name for your template and click on Save to create it. Once the template is saved, you can click on Exit Window to exit the task. To automate the application of this template to recurring tasks, click on the Automate button at the top right corner of the ClickUp interface. From the options that appear, select Plus Add Automation. A window will open with different automation settings. Choose Task Created from the When This Happens drop-down menu and select Apply a Template from the Then Do This Action drop-down menu. From the available templates, choose the one you have just created and saved. Click on the Use Template button to select it for application to new tasks. Finally, click the Create button to activate the automation. From this point forward, whenever you create a new task, the template that you have created will automatically be applied to the task after a few seconds. This streamlines the process of setting up recurring tasks with a predefined structure and saves you time and effort in manually configuring each task. Next, using the Favorite feature. One convenient feature in ClickUp is the ability to use the Favorite feature, which allows you to mark and access frequently used items across your ClickUp account with ease. By designating items as favorites, you can quickly find and access them whenever needed, improving your productivity and streamlining your workflow. By default, if you haven't marked anything as a favorite yet, you'll notice the Favorites button positioned above your spaces. Clicking on this button will reveal the Favorites tab, which initially appears empty. This tab serves as a central hub where you can gather and organize your most important items, including tasks, documents, and more. To add items to your favorites, such as tasks or documents, you can follow this simple process. For example, if you want to favorite a document, navigate to the Docs tab within ClickUp. There you'll find a list of available documents. By clicking on the three dots icon next to each document, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Favorite option. This action will mark the document as a favorite and add it to your Favorites tab for a quick and convenient access. To access all the items you've marked as favorites, simply navigate to the Favorite tab located in the left menu of your ClickUp interface. In this dedicated tab, you'll find a comprehensive collection of all the items you've designated as favorites. This centralized location makes it effortless to collect and access your frequently used items, saving you valuable time and ensuring a more efficient workflow. ClickUp offers customization options for further convenience. You have the flexibility to reposition items within your Favorites tab, allowing you to arrange them in a way that best suits your preferences. By clicking and dragging an item to the desired position, you can establish a personalized order that aligns with your workflow and priorities. Additionally, ClickUp allows you to pin Favorite tab items to the top, ensuring even quicker access to your most important items. By clicking on the Favorite tab in the right menu, you'll find the Pin option. Enabling this option will pin your favorites to the top, creating a convenient bar that remains visible at all times. This way, the items you've marked as favorites are readily accessible and always just a click away. Another useful feature of the favorite functionality in ClickUp is the ability to change the titles of your favorite items to emojis. This allows for easy identification and recognition of the associated items. To do this, simply right-click on the item you wish to rename, select the Rename option, and edit the name. By pressing the Windows key and the period key simultaneously, you can activate the emoji keyboard, where you can choose an emoji that best represents the item. This way, when you see the emoji, it serves as a visual cue that quickly reminds you of the associated item, simplifying navigation and retrieval. The last tip is ClickUp AI. ClickUp AI brings a range of powerful capabilities to enhance your document and task management experience. While currently available only in ClickUp's Docs and Tasks feature, the AI functionality is truly remarkable. Let's explore some of its key features and benefits. Firstly, the AI feature enables you to summarize documents effortlessly. Within each document, you'll find a Summarize button that generates a concise summary of the document's content. This is particularly useful when you need to quickly extract essential information from a document, whether for internal sharing or external communication or client interactions. By utilizing the summarization capability, you can save time and avoid overwhelming yourself with additional tasks. Additionally, ClickUp's AI provides helpful prompts to assist you in various writing tasks. With prompts such as continue writing, explain this, make it better, fix spelling and grammar, make longer, make shorter, use simpler language, and more, you can leverage AI-powered assistants to enhance your writing process. These prompts empower you to refine and improve your documents, ensuring they are polished and impactful. Moreover, ClickUp's AI offers a unique document prompting feature which eliminates the daunting blinking cursor and facilitates a seamless writing experience. By opening a new document within ClickUp, typing the / command and selecting Write with AI, you can create a prompt to kickstart your writing process. Witness the magic unfold as the AI assists you in generating the content, providing you with valuable insights and suggestions along the way. One fascinating application of ClickUp's AI prompts is the ability to create process standard operating procedures. By prompting the AI with a specific topic like inbox management, you can generate a comprehensive document outlining the purpose, scope, responsibilities, and guidelines associated with that particular process. This functionality streamlines the creation of detailed process documents, ensuring clarity and consistency in your operations. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on ClickUp's tips and tricks. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can.